Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today I'm playing with this Jaguar, and this is a gift from my friend Ricky. He's also got a channel. It's called Irie Fix Diecasts, and I'll put a link in the description of the video. And thank you very much because I love this diecast. And this is one of those cars that I just want to leave alone. I just want it to be like it was from the beginning. So I'm gonna do a proper restoration. And it's gonna be pretty easy because it's mainly a paint job. So let's crack on and see what happens. The wheels are in pretty good shape. Just got a couple of scratches on the tires, but I'll put them inside out anyway, like my underwear. And the base is just perfect. The window has got a couple of scratches, so I'm gonna do a bit of polishing, DP in pledge, and that's it. And a bit of cleaning for the interior. And obviously, a new paint job. See if I can match that deep red. That's not what I meant to do. Red pepper, chili and garlic. Nice. Let's do some cleaning. And it's not bad at all, but I'm still gonna give it a bit of polish without the salt and the in pledge. Just in case. I'm also gonna polish the hoops so they look nice and shiny. And I'm gonna try something different today, because I've never painted a casting without the undercoat. So this is gonna be the first time, and I'm gonna have to do a really good job with the sanding and polishing. I've been doing this for a while now, and whether I like it or not, you still can see a few scratches, but I'm still gonna go ahead anyway. As for the paint, the original paint is a really rich, deep red, and all my reds are a bit orangey or maroon, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the ink from this pen, and I'm gonna add it to my transparent red. It's just like adding more pigment into the paint. See if it works, I don't know. I'm gonna leave this in here so I can shake it as well. I'm just blowing so I can get all the ink out. I'm gonna use some thinners so I can mix it with my other transparent paint. This is the end result. I mixed it with a bit of Pebeo glass transparent paint, which is gloss, and to be honest, it didn't need a clear coat, but I put one, and yeah, you will see what happened. So, yeah, my homemade paint doesn't like clear coat. It's completely dissolve the paint. But it's alright, because I was thinking already to do it again, because you still could see all the scratches underneath. So the second time, actually, I used a bit of silver as an undercoat, and I didn't put any clear lacquer at the end. And it worked a lot better. So there you go. I'm really happy with this one. It looks like a classic Matchbox. The paint actually worked really well. Well, kinda. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, or at least if you use it, don't use a clear coat. But it looks really good without a clear coat anyway. And it's exactly the color that I was aiming for, as you will see in the last take. That's it for today. So thanks a lot, Ricky, for your donation. And as for the rest, don't forget to check his channel and subscribe. And I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.